Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Clickbank success tips, solo ad secrets. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, how to have choices to do what you love. And I do a lot of product reviews to let you know what products I believe are legitimate or not as far as you making money online. And if you want to learn more on those topics, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Clickbank success tips, solo ads secrets. Okay, if you have a Clickbank offer, solo ads are a great way to drive traffic to it. You have to, of course, make sure it's a good offer that's high converting, that you're going to be testing that. But essentially, a solo ad is where you send out your offer to someone else's email list that already has proven buyers on their email list. Okay, so there's 4 key ingredients of having a successful solo ad. You might have done a solo ad before and maybe not had good success, but these are going to help you to have more success with your solo ads. The first thing, of course, is to find a quality solo ad vendor. And this is somebody who will send, first of all, the correct number of clicks that you ordered, will send you the correct number of top tier clicks, which you want to be at least 85%. Top tier is the countries of the United States, Canada, the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. And the reason why you want these is because they have credit cards and they're people who are likely to buy. And then the vendor should also agree to use your email swipe. The second thing is you want a high converting lead capture page. And you're going to give your provider your link, but a good lead capture page converts at least 40%. So you want to make sure that you have a good lead capture page. Otherwise you won't be getting as many leads as you want and sales. The third thing is to have a high converting email swipe. And I'm not going to get into that in this video, but there's a formula for writing the subject and the body of the email to get it to be high converting, people clicking on it. The fourth thing is to have a method of tracking your clicks, leads, and sales. Otherwise you're doing this blindly. If you just go out and throw money at this solo ad provider and this one and that one because somebody said they're good, you have no idea how many clicks you're getting, if you're getting the top tier traffic, how many leads came from that particular vendor. So you want to track the top tier percentage of traffic, at least 85%. Want to make sure that you get the total number of clicks that you received, that you ordered, that you got them. You want to track the conversions of clicks to leads. And the best software that I use is called Clickbank. You probably heard of it, but it tracks all of those things for you. And how do you find a quality solo ad vendor? Well, the couple places are Facebook groups and Skype groups. And there's some things that you want to look for when you are looking for a vendor. You want to make sure that they have an actual sales page. You don't want to just send them money through PayPal. You want to go through an actual sales page that has testimonials, and you want to make sure these testimonials are not just other solo ad providers, but actual customers that have bought from this person. You want to look for them having a photo on their sales page that matches their Facebook page profile picture so that they are a real person. You want to look for testimonials of people who have gotten sales in an opportunity that's similar to the one that you are promoting. And you want to make sure that the testimonials are realistic, because you could have testimonials that are fake, that someone says, I got 80% opt-in rate, I got 100 sales, or things that are just not realistic. You want to make sure they are realistic, and you want to reach out to the vendor over Facebook or Skype and just create a relationship with them, so that as you do business with them, if they are a good provider and you buy larger packages, that you're going to get some deals in the future. So I'm going to show you someone who meets all those criteria here on Facebook. His name is Zane Kendrick. You can look him up. If you scroll down here, you can see some of his some of his testimonials. This person here ordered, well, he ordered a lot, 3,000, but he got 51% opt-in and 99% tier 1 in sales, too many to count. I don't know how many, but anyhow, that's somebody you can look up. Same Kendrick. Questions you want to ask the vendor is, will you allow me to use my email swipe copy? See if they offer the 85% top tier traffic. And this is super important. See when is the last time that they sent your offer out to their email list, because if you have thousands of affiliates promoting the same offer and someone says, oh, this is a good solo ad provider, and then everyone goes to that person, if they just send out that offer to their list, their list isn't going to be responsive. If you send your offer out just like a couple days after that, and they're not going to hesitate to send it out because they're, they don't ask you that, but you want to ask them that. So you want to make sure that it's not sooner than the last 2 to 3 weeks. You want to find out how long it takes them to deliver the clicks. It should be 72 hours or less. You don't want them taking like 2-3 weeks to send your clicks. And you ask for how much they charge per click and negotiate for 20% less. You want to keep it around $1 to $1.15 a click. And what I have learned in my training is that lower clicks, a lower price per click, you don't get as good a quality traffic necessarily. And if you pay a lot more than that, like $2 a click, it's not any better than like the middle range, $1 to $1.15 a click, and that tends to be the good traffic right there. Okay, other tips when dealing with a vendor before purchasing. You want to have them believe that you will buy from them in the future. So you tell them the 200 clicks are a test run, and to see if you want to scale to more clicks. So that means that you're testing and to see if you want to buy more from them in the future and buy larger packages. So they're going to give you they're going to give you their best traffic and make sure that they deliver on what you ask for, so that you will come back and buy the larger packages. So that's why you want to have this relationship with them and reach out to them. And so that, again, this is the way they're going to go the extra mile to get your business in the future for more clicks. So after you get the traffic from them and you're tracking your metrics, this will allow you to know when you should scale up. So start low, like 100 to 200 clicks. So let's say you get 200 clicks and it goes well, then you want to scale up to 300 clicks, then to 500, then to 750, then to 1,000. And you want to find at least 15, 20, 25 good providers that you can use for your traffic. Because I've known 7-figure income earners that built their whole entire business on solo ads. They mastered it, and you wonder how someone comes into a business or an affiliate contest and they dominate it every single time. It's because they have providers that give them great traffic, and they just go and buy the traffic, and it's instantly they get sales, and of course they can scale up because it's profitable for them. So you look at 3 things. You look at the number of clicks. You make sure you got what you ordered. That's why it's important to track, because otherwise you have no idea where your winning providers are coming from or if you got what you ordered. You also want to look to make sure that you got at least 35 to 40% opt-ins. So you get 100 clicks, you want at least 35 to 40 leads. And then you look at the number of sales. Ideally you want 1% on the front end. So like right away you would get one sale out of every 100 leads. That would be a good provider. So those are the things you look for. And again, you want to build up your list of providers to at least 15, 20, 25 vendors so that you can create traffic at will for any offer that you want and have great Clickbank success. So if you received value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below this video. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, where you can earn 100% commissions on the front end and residual income on the back end, go ahead and click the first link in the description below this video. Go ahead and check that out. And with that being said, this is Karen Mero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.